This is chicken wing number 1. I'm gonna try to get it on camera. So first I'll get it in the vise. We'll try to get it. Ooh, stop doing that. I'm trying to get it set up so you guys can see it. Try to get it so it'll focus and not do the autofocus thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna reset it because I know I already messed it up. So 3, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5. Maybe it was 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so 6 opened it. I had to pay attention to what I was doing because this is actually a tricky lock to open. It actually took me a while to get it open, but that is chicken wing number 1.